So we are doing a night sail, and in the cockpit Matthew is at the helm. Snooky with the pink slippers, you can see he's standing next to Roy, and our prodigal lost child is down here in the companionway. He's not sure if he's coming up or not, but you can see it's quite a beautiful evening. It's about 4:30 in the evening, and you can see Table Mountain. I think there'll be a nice breeze tonight. I'm not sure what the moon's doing. Anybody check to see what the moon is doing? Oh, new moon. Okay, so we're not going to see much. It's going to be pretty pitch black. Okay, and the tugs are busy bringing that tank out. You can see the tugs there next to. So yeah, should be quite a pleasant sail. Cool. Any comments before we throw you overboard, Megan? Oh yeah, that's yeah. Roy will be responsible, because coastal skippers, you need to be able to do a man overboard at night. Yeah. There is absolutely no wind, so we're just bobbing around here in Table Bay with Snooky here doing a selfie. And Schnookums there hanging on to the bimini. And the other Snooky there has just dressed himself warmly. And the younger Snooky on the boat is at the helm. Okay. And
really struggling with the wind.
And we're all struggling with the wind.
You're missing our photo off.
Oh, I am. Okay. No, you're missing my photo off. There we go. How's that? Yeah, you're smiling. You're smiling at the camera. Okay. So, yeah.
Can we get us back there for a cool photo?
You can, yes.
Oh, look at that sun. Oh,
yeah. We're just waiting for the green flash, guys.
Oh, look at the colour. Yes.
Eh?
How nicely red. Okay.
Look good.
Oh, you're not coming with us?
I'm waiting for you to go there, because I'm taking a shot with this. Okay. The four musketeers. They're happy that there's no wind. Waiting for the storm, yeah. Okay. Yeah, is it waterproof?
And look at the name on it. I googled it and it was
Carbon proof?
I don't know.
Something.
Some sailor in but I got it at a market for £100.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together